Jamaica.
Your thoughts on pulling out what seemed to be a little more challenging than you thought?
Yeah, it's a good match throughout. I came out, played a good first set. Started the second set a bit slow, but I was comfortable in the third set, and yeah, played a good third set.
I mean, how would you explain the second set? What happened really?
I just came, he went to the bathroom, momentum kind of shifted early. Played some loose points at the beginning, and before you knew it, I was down 3-love. And just, yeah, got it back and